Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can animate like objects using keyframes on CapCut PC. So for instance, I want to like make it roll from this bit to the other part right here. So it's super simple actually. I am just going to basically rotate it. So let's add a keyframe here, and then at the beginning you want to at the end you want to move it to the right. Then you're going to want to rotate it a couple times. If you want it to be faster, you have to rotate it like a lot. And then, oh, actually I forgot, you need to move the keyframe first. So like go here, for instance, and then move it. Then it will add a keyframe and then you can rotate it, sorry. A couple times. And that's it. Oh, hold on. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section and down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!